So hi, this is Divya Pandit, your tarot card reader, spiritual healer and life coach. So here we start with Pisces. Pisces 2021 April. So let's see what we have for Pisces in April. Well, Pisces, you're totally in a mode of seeking a lot of stability in your life, right? Money is on your mind all the time because money has been an issue past few months, right? So the first week of April, Pisces, you are going to be a little closed. You're getting a little selfish. Being selfish is not wrong, but here somewhere I feel that you're being very closed. You're holding on to your money very tightly. Okay, and definitely when money is an issue, you tend to hold on to your money very tightly. Somewhere you are really thinking of yourself, which is a good thing. You're thinking of stabilizing your business, your work, your life. Okay, that will be the first week of April for you, Pisces. The second week is going to come with a lot of hard work, as if you're building, like putting bricks over a brick, over a brick, over a brick, and building something in your life. So somewhere your business, your work, your job, whatever you're doing, you might start building in the second week of April. Okay, and I feel that there will be also opportunities for you to build. Okay, there will be opportunities, there will be some projects coming your way that you will start building your castle, office, whatever you want to build. The third week again is a very good time for a new leap of faith, a new opportunity, a new beginning that you want to do, or maybe you want to step into some areas which you have thought you didn't, you feared, or maybe you didn't have the investment or whatever. Okay, that you will do in the third week of April. And the fourth week, you are going to think, because you are going to get a lot of offers, and those offers are going to be not very big offers, small offers, but a lot of them. So in the fourth week, you are going to think where and what I need to do. It'll be a thinking time. It'll be a time in a positive way, I'm saying. It'll be a time where you will think whether I should make this choice, this or that. Should I pick this up, that offer up, or that offer up? A lot of offers coming your way in workspace. So let's take a recap. First week, you're going to be a little closed, holding on to your money tightly, feeling, no, right now I don't need to spend, that kind of an energy. Second week, a lot of building, a lot of projects coming, a lot of money investments, maybe, that kind of a thing. Third week, if you need to start something, if you need to begin something, and if you feared all this time that if I step here maybe I will not do well, that is a time where you need to take a step and you will do well. The fourth week, lot of offers your way, thinking what choice to make. So please make your choice carefully, Pisces, because there is money coming, there is work coming, there is good opportunities coming your way in the month of April. Okay, so let's see what we have in your relationship. Pisces relationship, April 2021. Okay, let's see what April has for relationship. My phone keeps ringing. Okay, even if I put on silent and something happens. Okay, so wow, lot of root chakra energy, lot of throat chakra energy, communication. Pisces, you are right now, what is happening is your two chakras is blocked. Okay, throat chakra and your root chakra. Root chakra is intimacy, throat chakra is communication and trust. So somewhere you're not yet trusting your relationship. That's what I feel. You're very confused. Lot of confusion. You're not wanting to see because somewhere you fear. You fear that intimacy. You fear that that you will be betrayed, cheated in your life, right? So somewhere, Pisces, you need to embrace the positivity in your life. Embrace a lot of positivity, so that work on your chakras, so that whatever relationship is coming to you right now is the right one, and you need to learn to trust and take a step forward. Okay, you need to trust and take a step forward. Heal yourself. Do some aura cleansing, like take a spiritual bath by putting some rock salt, add some rose petals, some rosemary, lavender, mix everything. You know, put some crystals like pyrite, selenite, rose quartz. Keep it, charge that salt, and then put that salt in your bath and try to take a bath. All these things also make us heal and also make us come out of confusion in life. Okay, now in the month of April, after all these issues, confusion, being chakra blocked, which you are going to open by chakra healing, I'm sure of that, because you are going to be in love with someone, and this love is an unconditional beautiful love, right? So if you are in a relationship, your relationship is going to get stronger, and if you are not, you're going to invite some beautiful unconditional love in your life. Also, I feel that you need to work on these two chakras is very, very important. Okay, as you know now. Anyways, in the month of April, these two chakras will activate and anyways help you to move forward. Okay, so let me see what fairies have for you, Pisces. Fairy message for April 2021, Pisces. Affirmations. Lift up your thoughts and energy, and to attract what you desire, use positive affirmations. Use as many affirmations as you can, Pisces, because whatever you think right now is manifesting very, very fast. So in April, think positive and positive will come to you. Okay? That's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Don't forget to share it with family and friends. Don't forget to promote this channel, because this channel is basically for benefit for anyone. Don't forget to like my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only. That's all for today. Keep healthy, be happy, and God bless. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye.